Well, as we take a live look outside, you can see blue skies in Fort Worth, just a couple clouds hanging around here and there. But other than that, everything looking good. It has been warm and dry today. Although I think by this time tomorrow, we may be looking at a very different situation.
Yeah, we might see a few thunderstorms in the area, Chris.
Okay.
Yeah, and right now it does look like the threat for severe weather is there. It's not for everyone, but there is a slim chance to see a few strong storms, which is why we have a WFAA weather alert day for Thursday. And this is specifically between 3 and 8 in the afternoon. This is for thunderstorms that could produce quarter to golf ball size hail, 60+ mile per hour wind gusts. What you need to do at this point, just make sure to stay updated. Keep checking back in with us throughout the next 24 hours. Have a way to receive those warnings. Our WFAA app that you can download on your phone for free is a great way to do that. Or you can also download WFAA Plus on your smart TV. That way you can get the latest updates from us. But we do have a slight risk for severe weather. That's a level 2 out of 5 for the likelihood of strong to severe storms. What this means is that thunderstorms that move into this area tomorrow afternoon, a few of them could be on the strong to severe side. Not all of them, just a few. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to show you the timing here. This is 7 in the morning. We do see some cloud cover in the area. There will be a strong cap in place. Remember, a cap is something that limits thunderstorm production, very much like what we saw a few days ago. However, it does look like the cap could break for some locations. So this is showing you around 2 in the afternoon. We'll see thunderstorms moving in from Oklahoma south of the Red River there. Between 2 and 4, those storms will try to work their way into the Metroplex. So we'll be seeing these storms after about 3. And then eventually these storms take a southwestward shift. So between 4 and about 8, these storms are really going to come together and more so push towards the southwest. So that's what we'll be watching. These thunderstorms again are coming in from the north and moving from north to south. That is what could occur tomorrow between 4 and about 8. With an isolated storm or two, we could see that threat for hail. That's why we have that WFAA weather alert day. And after 8, the threat for severe weather lowers as a lot of this pushes into central Texas. So tomorrow, here's how your day plays out. 68 degrees to start the day. We'll see sunshine. A lot of us looking at sunshine most of the day. In the afternoon, you'll notice the humidity is still pretty high. Temperature is going to be climbing. We make it to about 91 degrees. That's warmer than what we saw today. And we'll also look at about 40% coverage of rain. Now, rainfall coverage does completely lower for Friday and Saturday. That means it'll be dry after Thursday. But then we do have another front that comes in Sunday into Monday. So I know a lot of you do have Memorial Day plans. Most of Sunday will be dry, but Sunday late in the day, about 30% coverage, and that stays with us through Monday. So right now we're looking at sunshine, high near 90 degrees, winds out of the southeast, and that humidity slowly climbing. If you do have any plans outside, hickory and grasses are at a high count, Osage orange at a moderate. Tonight, 68 degrees. Tomorrow, a high near 91. The humidity will be climbing. You'll be able to feel it a little bit more tomorrow. And on that 14-day forecast, you see our WFAA weather alert day for Thursday. High temperatures eventually in the 90s Saturday and Sunday. And then we'll have those thunderstorms coming Sunday into Monday. High temperature drops to 80 degrees for Memorial Day thanks to that front. Even a few days in the 70s next week. Tuesday, a high near 78, slowly climbing to 81 degrees on Wednesday. We generally stay in the low 80s throughout next week. Again, just have a way to get warnings tomorrow and keep checking in with us.